In this video, I am going to show you how to use the 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. Step 1. Start by registering on Bybit. You can find the registration button or link wherever on the internet. Just search for Bybit on Google and do it. Step 2. Once registered, navigate to the Rewards hub on Bybit. This can often be found within your account or profile options. Look for the option to claim your 20 USDT coupon. This might be prominently displayed or found under a Claim Rewards section. 3. A key advantage of this coupon is that you don't need to undergo identity verification or make a deposit to claim it. This simplifies the process significantly. 4. You can claim your coupon either directly from the Rewards hub or by clicking on Claim Now button, which might be available in the promotional materials or the platform interface. If you click Claim Now, a pop-up should appear with further instructions on the coupon details. Once claimed, the coupon will appear in your My Rewards section or similarly named area. To use the coupon, simply click on the Use button next to the coupon details. This will apply the coupon to your account and you can start trading with it. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.